I represent Jindal Stainless Limited. As the name suggests, we are stainless steel manufacturer, raw material manufacturer, and India's biggest stainless steel manufacturer. Please allow me to give you a brief introduction to stainless steel. It's very much steel with some alloying, but when a steel becomes stainless, it's a simple alloy with minimum 10.5% of chromium in it. When we add 10.5% or more chromium in the alloy, it becomes stainless steel. How it benefits? The chromium oxide forms a passive layer which protects oxidation, and that's why it offers much higher resistance to corrosion or the environmental wear on the surface. The other elements for which are added are chromium, nickel, moly, nitrogen, stainless steel, which are added in different form to achieve that. But here we are talking about the construction, steel construction. I will be more focused on introducing you to our offerings for the construction industry. But before that, as I shared, that stainless steel is a generic name wherein primarily we can divide stainless steel into different forms, that is the austenitic, ferritic, martensitic, duplex. Just to give you, we are quite familiar with the austenitic grades because we use it in our home for utensil, and most of the common application, the shiny surface, what we got is the austenitic stainless steel. The next comes the ferritic, which is quite popular with the railways, and we are also talking about the same grade. All LHB coaches, all Vande Bharat, what we are these days talked about, or most of the blue wagon, they are stainless steel. These are ferritic stainless steel. There are other grade martensitic stainless steel which are known for their edge retaining properties, and duplex stainless steel which are combination of two properties. Stainless steel is primarily known for its corrosion resistance, and that's why if we talk about the coastal belt of India, which is quite big, it is very popular over there and being used in the infrastructure application also. But does it require only for the coastal belt? I'll say the pollution map, if we see on the right-hand side, it shows that our infrastructure get depleted because of the corrosion. Because of corrosion and the fumes coming from our industrial output also, the effluents what we generate also cause corrosion to the infrastructure. So there is a good requirement in the other areas also. You can see what corrosion can do. There can be fatal accident, what we have witnessed in the past. These are the common corrosion pictures. You know that we are talking about the Mumbai's Andheri's Gokhale Bridge, which was declared unsafe some time back. There are other news in Uttarakhand also. 36 bridges were declared unsafe. One solution which can be selectively chosen wherever there is a problem of corrosion, severe corrosion, which offers a stainless steel and which definitely not only offer the corrosion properties, but it offers better strength, durability, weight reduction also with comparison to our conventional grade. And as stainless steel is 100% recyclable, it also helps in sustainable. Now I come to the Jindal stainless product line, what the products we can offer to the infrastructure. Definitely the girder channels, which talked at length by other speakers during their presentation. I will not go into the detail of the sizes or dimensions, but these are the general glimpse of the product. We can offer you girders, channels, angles, hollow sections, rebars, checkered plates, gratings, pipes. So these are most of the products which are commonly used for our infrastructure. I will first talk about the Indian initiative which has been taken for promotion of stainless steel. We produce HRAP plates which can be converted in the form of fabricated girders, and these girders are very popular with the bridges. We have got approvals from Indian Railways by RDSO for this product. IRS 350 CR, which is Indian Railway Standard 350, represent the yield strength, and CR is the corrosion resistant grade. And eventually, because of its chromium percentage higher than 10.5%, it is also falls in the family of stainless steel, and that's why we are producing it. It is approved for foot over bridges and road over bridges sections. This particular grade is not new or it is not recently developed. Rather, this metallurgy is derived from ASTM 1010, which is a globally approved product and also recommended as per ASTM 709M for the uses of the bridges, in the steel bridges. So very, very commonly used. There are many global references for this grade. In India, since railway has slightly tweaked the metallurgy and they have put their own name, it is now commonly sold as IRS 350CR. I will just introduce the basic properties, chemical properties and mechanical properties of this particular grade. There are standard designs also made by RDSO, which are available on their website, can be utilized for the design purpose. And BIS code is also under progress for this particular material. A slight comparison. There is another offering which is coming along with the 350 is the 450, which offers even higher yield strength. And of course, as stainless, it is called stainless steel, so it will offer. Some of the example of the completed project, these are the footover bridges which are already completed and put to the service in Srikakulam, Nopada, that is the East Coast Railway location near Visakhapatnam. On Mumbai, the Bhayandar Bridge, which was now 1 year old, is completely all load-bearing members, all girders, columns are stainless steel of the same material, IRS 350CR. So those who are Mumbaika, they might have crossed this bridge a couple of times. Another bridge which is, I think, put to the service is the Himalaya Footover Bridge, recently relaunched. There is another bridge on Mrinaltai River, wherein the effluent was eating away the structure, and this is all the girders are fabricated out of the duplex grade of stainless steel. My next offering, which is coming, is recent, that is the stainless steel reinforcement bar for the construction industry. Reinforcement bar does not need any introduction. We all are quite familiar with it. Only change what we are doing is we are giving stainless steel rebars. So it is fully alloyed rebars, which definitely offer much higher corrosion resistance. We can see, although the many concrete structure fails because the reinforcement bars which are holding the concrete start getting corroded. There are many examples. In a very recent example from Gurgaon, which is not known for a very wetlands, a complete housing society was declared unsafe because of the corrosion which was taking place in the reinforcement bar. North and Indian Railway, they have already recommended use of rebars in coastal areas and also in the selected areas. So there is a good specific applications. I will just give you this. These rebars, BIS already exist. These are formed as per IS 166512017. And it gives complete properties in different grade. What is the most common is the G grade, which is 410L. However, if requirement is there, another superior grades, that is the A, B, C, D, E, F, can also be supplied. On the physical property wise, these are exactly kept similar by BIS as the 500 strength, 550, 600. That is how we normally put rebar, the commonly available rebar for the applications. The third product is checkered plates. And this also, the only difference what we are doing is we are manufacturing checkered plates in stainless steel grades. Again, railway is using a lot. They have different circulars. These are the copy of circular when they have mandated the use on various applications like pathways, gangways, on bridges. Conventionally, they have found that these stainless steel plates are lasting much longer, and they have many railways have already using, including in the Northern Railway, where we are now installing about 200 metric ton on one of the railway bridges. On a laboratory test basis, this offer approximately 5 times better sliding wear resistance, and on other properties, wet resistance on abrasive also, these have scored higher. Again, I will conclude this, that these are specially great product. Definitely they have some additional value also. But if while recommending these products, I will request that life cycle cost analysis should be done rather than on the simple capital cost basis or the initial cost basis. And on the life cycle cost basis, these products will definitely be quite comparable to whatever we are recommending traditionally. With this, I will close, and I say we are not only interested in selling the product, we are giving a complete advisory, we are giving even the design support. Of course, we are the raw material supplier for all these products. We are doing customization, that is, if required, the fabricated component. Jindal Stainless will take the complete responsibility of supplying the fabricated components, and we are giving the overall package. With this, I conclude my presentation and we're looking forward to opportunities from all of you. Thank you very much.